is going on, guys? Hope you're all having a fantastic day, and if you enjoyed today's video, comment, like, and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. So I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for all of you. If you celebrate it, I don't know. Not too sure, but as you can see, this little box in front of me is a car part for my car, my Mazda 3, and it is actually a fog light bezel. So in today's video, we're just going to be showing on how to install all that on my car. And yeah, I have another car part coming at home, hopefully today or tomorrow, but who knows, not sure when. And I'll be doing a video on that as well. But for today's video is going to be these cool fog light bezels. So in order to get today's video started, let's go outside, go to my car, take out my front bumper, and go from there. See you all in a second. Alrighty, now that I'm back inside my room, I got my bumper in my room as well. I have to take out this assembly, this entire cover here that you can probably not even see. This little plastic cover here, and exchange it with my new ones that I have. If you like these and you also own a Mazda 3, the newer model, the 14s, 14, 18, these will fit your car. I got them off of AliExpress, and they took about a few weeks to get in. But anyways, back to the installation. So now I am finally reassembling I got this inside there, like that. Issue is where the fog light bulb is, there's this piece, and you're gonna have to cut this circle out in order to still make this LED bulb functional. And then I'm gonna have to figure out what all these wires are for. So let me just cut this one out, reassemble it all, and then get started on the other side, and I'll show you an entire video of that part here. So I was mentioning about this whole piece. You don't have to take the chrome part off this entire housing here, but if you want, you can easily just push in these little tiny clips on the inside here and press it outwards. Out of focus, and then for the centerpiece, you're just gonna kind of like wanna bend it from side to side to get where these little tabs are here. There should be like 3 or 4 of them, so you'll just want to twist it out, and I'll show you in a second on how I clean it up a little bit. So now that you got the centerpiece out, you will notice that you still have some not so flush lines. So what you would want to do is take a razor blade on the inside and very gently kind of scrape around on the exterior of it. I'm going to do this one in front of you. Kind of just scrape along the sides. And now, you can't even see that there was one at all right here, but you can kind of tell on the back here. Now that we are here, the way you take off the cover is these big clips on the back here that are pressed in. So what you're gonna want to do is take a flathead and just kind of pry them up and push the cover out in the process, rather than taking the entire assembly apart and then putting it all back together. So in and down, and do that all the way around. And it should just pop out. So in order to get all this wire, you see this little hole right here inside. Right there. You're just going to want to feed your wire through here. All of it, including all these smaller wires as well. Make sure none of them get caught in the process. And just pop into place. Don't be scared to give it a little bit of pressure because, like I said, these are all just little plastic clips that hook in, and we'll just make sure they are in there by checking in the back as well. And yeah, I'll show you once it's done, and I will figure out all the wiring situation and pull up in a minute with a diagram and everything on how to do that exactly. So I got the bumper on fully on. So to do these had one wire that ran down that you have to plug into this signal that you have to splice into, wrap it around, and cover it with electrical tape. But for up top here, there's the box right here. You just plug in the wires and then connect it all up. And it has all this. Connect it to the power, which is the battery, and then also the ground over here. Whoop. Ground right here. And then you have a headlight and AC fuse. I guess that's to help make it in sync, and also so you can run these headlights with your turn signals as well. But I mean, for now, that's alright, and I'll try and figure it out another time. So it is currently the next morning. I stopped last night because it was getting pretty cold and pretty dark and you couldn't really see all that well. But I'm just gonna go back over this. So the red wire is connected to the power, ground, which is black, is connected to the ground. This headlight, I'm not sure exactly what this wire is for, but I'm gonna wrap it up when I get home. And then this yellow wire is the ACC fuse, which is what turns these bottom lights on, which are fully functioning. So not only are they daytime running lights, but they are also turn signals as well when you just turn it on, or hazards when you need it to be. So that's all the wiring for up there. There's the box right here, the module. Each fog light has its own cable system that connects to this, and it also has one extra wire that you can splice into the fog light lamp, which is the pink wire, to get those to work. But other than that, that's about it. Express for helping me out with the whole wiring situation. Greg has a different setup. He has the turn signals and then the HID lights. But for me, I just have the HID lights, which also are used as turn signals. But anyways, I just want to give a huge shout out to him for helping me with the whole wiring situation and everything. And I'll put a link in the description to his YouTube channel down below. And hope to see you all in the next video.